Accurately providing a delivery date for a manufactured, non-stock product is vital for any manufacturing company. The item planning bill of material tool addresses this need by identifying a realistic delivery date, analyzing material and capacity constraints. This functionality remains effective, no matter the size or complexity of the finished product. Now we'll see how we set a future delivery date based on the bill of materials and capacity constraints. A customer requests the delivery of 500 units of a product. We input the quantity into the system and two dates emerge. First is the available date of materials. This is when the material shortages can be resolved. Second date, the available date of capacity, is when production of the required quantity can be completed. We currently have materials available to produce only 4 units, so we are short on materials. We click on the most critical item, steel 81, and get a list of all our critical items for this production. The production timeline can be calculated using either infinite or finite capacity models. All detailed data are presented at the line level section below, where the products are broken down into materials and routing. Additional information about components and materials can be accessed using the item planning item function. Additionally, detailed capacity loads can be reviewed. Graphically, the system shows the current load on a work center, as well as the projected load based on the customer inquiry. Lastly, from these insights, you can create a purchase order for procurement, or you can do it by yourself, depending on the settings in the solution.